Hello, and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on Learning Outcome 2 LO2, Understand the Rights and Obligations of Directors. In this video, we will explore the legal landscape for company directors, examining their rights, responsibilities, and duties. You will gain an understanding of the key aspects of company law that govern directors' roles and ensure they act in compliance with legal and ethical standards. A limited company is distinct from its owners and managers. It must be registered at Companies House in the UK. This registration makes it a separate legal entity. It can sue, be sued, and is liable for its own obligations. The company's finances are separate from its founders. Limited companies must file accounts with HMRC and Companies House annually. Proper records of sales, purchases, and payments are essential. Legal registers must be maintained for transparency. These include registers of members, directors, and significant controllers. Compliance is crucial for legal operation. Shareholders' liability is limited to the nominal value of shares. They may be asked to pay unpaid calls on shares. In case of loss, liability does not exceed share value. Shareholders are not immune from legal consequences. They are responsible for their actions. Directors must operate within the Companies Act, 2006. They are trusted to promote business success. Decisions should benefit the company, not personal gain. Directors ensure all reporting requirements are met. They are legally accountable for compliance. Breach of duties can lead to legal action against directors. Companies can bring claims for breaches. Shareholders can also initiate claims on behalf of the company. Such claims are known as derivative claims. Courts ensure these actions benefit the company. Directors have responsibilities towards creditors in financial distress. They must act in creditors' best interests. Directors should avoid wrongful trading. This means not incurring debts when insolvency is likely. Failure to do so can lead to personal liability. Directors can be disqualified for various reasons. These include fraudulent trading and unfit conduct. The Company Directors Disqualification Act governs this. Since June 2021, personal liability has increased. Disqualification protects companies from irresponsible leadership. Directors must submit annual records to Companies House. This includes financial statements and returns. Timely submission is crucial to avoid penalties. Directors must ensure accuracy in these documents. Failure to comply can lead to disqualification. Excessive salaries can signal financial mismanagement. Directors must justify remuneration levels. Unreasonable pay can lead to disqualification. Companies must balance compensation with financial health. Transparency in pay decisions is crucial. Trading while insolvent is a serious breach. Directors must not incur debts they cannot repay. This is known as wrongful trading. It can lead to personal liability for directors. Responsible financial management is essential. Misrepresentation of company facts is a legal issue. Directors must ensure accurate information is provided. False statements can lead to legal action. Transparency is key to maintaining trust. Directors must act with integrity. Directors must respond to inquiries from authorities. Ignoring requests can lead to penalties. Cooperation is essential for compliance. Directors should provide accurate and timely information. This ensures smooth regulatory processes. Conclusion: understanding directors' rights and obligations is essential for the effective governance and success of a company. Adherence to legal requirements ensures operational compliance and minimizes risks. Directors are required to act responsibly and in the best interests of the company, safeguarding its assets and long-term sustainability. For any queries or assistance, send a WhatsApp to 0748-436-1688. Our team will be glad to help. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you again.